Hope you're not still using outdated workflows for your construction projects. We've been BIMing since we were founded in 2015, and I'm here to help you do the same. If you are considering making the move, or already have, and want to get an insight on why Revit is our authoring tool of choice, this video is for you. This is Sad with Build Informed, where we have helped several clients throughout Europe with all their BIM needs since 2015 and completed over 1 million square meters of building information models, as well as completed courses for hundreds of Revit users ranging from absolute beginners to seasoned professionals. Revit is a BIM authoring tool and stands for Revise Instantly. As it is an Autodesk product, it has been a main player in the AEC software industry, making it familiar to most stakeholders and allows for a diverse range of additional tools to seamlessly incorporate into the workflow. In addition, it has a bunch of cool features that we will discuss in this video. However, some might not be exclusive to Revit. They have benefited us, and I'm sure can also benefit you in your practice. File requirements for our input and output differ drastically depending on the task at hand. For our internal workflow, we will resolve to some of the typical computer-aided drafting formats such as DXF for 2D or 3D data, object files for meshes, or STL files for our in-house model to point cloud compare software BIMAC, just to mention a few. However, for our clients, they will usually request 2D drawings in PDF and or DWG format, as well as the model as an IFC. Revit produces a number of model view definitions that are usually sufficient. However, in some cases, we needed to modify it, which was a simple task in Revit. All these outputs can be achieved using the same building information model. As we have different types of projects, some are system heavy, others require focus on structural elements, and almost all include architectural modeling. Revit offers different tools and types that cater to different disciplines, yet they are all compatible with one another, allowing seamless modeling and data incorporation between the different disciplines in a BIM workflow. However, it is worth mentioning that even though Revit is a great overall tool, there are different BIM tools that are more specialized and might be better suited to your specific needs, especially if you are a specialist in a particular field. Let us know in the comments if that's a topic that we should cover in another video and what softwares you are using. Several of our clients approach us with buildings based on 2D drawings and require us to create a building information model that includes the MEP elements and assigns suitable piping and HVAC systems to them, as well as creating appropriate electrical zones for the project. These are additional helpful capabilities in Revit. There are different parametric capabilities that can be utilized. The use of dynamo scripting allows us to model items that otherwise would be rather time-consuming to create and would require constant updating every time a related change is made. This is also apparent in the use of parametric families that can be created using reference planes, mathematical equations, and formulas, hence fitting straight into a project adapting to the surrounding conditions. To purchase some of our Dynamo scripts, head to our online store, where you can also find additional interesting things such as our wide range of courses and Revit templates. Link in the description. Due to the wide use, Revit has a large community of individuals and firms, let alone Autodesk themselves, that create third-party and additional tools that can be added onto Revit with additional functionalities that are not part of the out-of-the-box Revit package. Some of these add-ons are free, while others are worth a fee. However, finding the correct tool drastically reduces the time required to complete particular tasks. Due to our agile software development methodologies, we can create the add-on for you based on your specific requirements. Since Autodesk offers a wide array of different tools for all disciplines and types of users with varying experience levels, there is almost always a compatible tool that can be part of the BIM workflow, which is especially useful for the operation phase when models need to be maintained and/or updated. Due to the different possibilities and functionalities attained through a BIM workflow, analytical models have a huge benefit for our clients and other specialists that will take part in the project at a later stage. Revit makes it easier to create structural analytical models from physical models in addition to this list of analysis and studies. Almost everything in Revit is considered a family or part of one. There are out-of-the-box as well as online libraries that provide numerous options. Families are governed by parameters, typology, bases, hierarchy, restrictions, and other additional factors. This structure simplifies controlling, editing, and even creating new families based on all your requirements. The API allows programmers to interconnect with the heart of Revit to change default settings and create custom tools in order to simplify tasks that otherwise would be a lot more time consuming. This is BIMAC Live, which allows our users to compare the model's accuracy to the point cloud in real time as it's being created. Since I've discussed what we like about Revit, I'd also like to mention some of the restrictions it has. First of all is the maximum project distance. The limit for a project's distance in Revit is approximately 16 kilometers from the project internal origin, allowing a maximum diameter of around 32 kilometers, making it suitable for anything from houses and buildings up to small urban projects, and might not be suitable for large urban scales. Second of all, there might be other softwares more suitable for you. If you're a specialist in a certain discipline, there are other softwares that might serve you better, as Revit is good at everything but not perfect at anything. This is a statement with regards to AEC discipline specializations. Here are some examples of other more specialized alternatives. However, Revit could probably scratch the surface for most of these, but not go into too much detail, or it might require more time and additional add-ons. I hope you found this video helpful. Of course, this topic is very subjective, so we'd like to hear from you about your experience regarding BIM and the software you use in the comments section, or if there's anything you'd like us to cover in a future video. Also, feel free to get in touch with us or check out our website to see how we can help you or your firm with any BIM-related services, as well as our courses, which are suitable for all types of users and experience levels. Our courses are offered in English and in German. If you like our content, it would mean a lot to us if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoyed our video. Have a productive day.